Put tomato slices in the soil. You can harvest tomato seedlings in 2 weeks. Let's learn such a good way of growing vegetables. First of all, how to mix the soil. To ensure that the soil is loose and nutritious, small pots are recommended here. Ordinary garden soil with a soil ratio of 50-30 vermicompost and 20% cocopeat. Remember to open the bottom of the flower pot for drainage. Take a tomato from the farmer's market. Cut it into small pieces. These are the tomato seeds. Place the slice on the soil surface. Then spread a layer of prepared soil on top. Sprinkle some water at the end. Plants are like people. Growth and development are inseparable from the moisture of water. 2 weeks later, tomato seedlings are growing. The breeding was a success. Dig up a seedling to see the root system. Tomato slices and spoilage decomposition gone. Transplant tomato seedlings into another pot. The soil ratio of the new soil is 60% ordinary garden soil and 40% compost. Loosen the surface soil with a shovel, then plant the tomato seedlings in. Finally, sprinkle some water that will be the source of life. It is recommended to only grow 1 seedling in a small pot here. Ensure adequate nutrition. A month later, tomato seedlings grow taller and better. Now, farmer is expecting him to pick up the tomatoes. This video is over here. Thank you for watching.